Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by setting your phone for 360 capture. Enable the maximum resolution and lock exposure so brightness stays steady. Mount your phone on a small tripod or a low-profile gimbal to avoid parallax. This reduces stitching errors later. Tap to set focus, lock white balance, and switch off auto-rotate notifications. Once done, walk a slow, steady circle around the marked center point or use the tripod to spin. Maintain consistent height and avoid sudden moves so frames align cleanly for stitching. Next, focus on coverage and overlap. You want at least 25 to 50% overlap between adjacent views so stitching software finds matching features. Rotate the phone slowly, aiming for 1 to 3 degrees per second if hand panning, or let a motorized head do uniform turns. Keep the lens at the same height to prevent vertical parallax, and switch to manual exposure when moving between bright and dark areas so seams don't flicker. If lighting is tricky, shoot a bracket set 2 stops apart for safer blending. Finish by importing all clips into a stitching app and selecting Equirectangular 2, 1 output. This is the standard for 360 players. Once stitched, apply gentle stabilization and a consistent color grade to match exposures, then export using H.264 or H.265 at a bitrate suitable for your platform. If visible seams or ghosting remain, reprocess with a higher overlap setting or isolate and reshoot the problematic segment. Often a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.